Saya, so what happened? Tell me, Saya. How many? Hi everyone, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 21. We are here at the DMV so Josiah can do his driving test again, and this time he's gonna pass it, huh, puppy? He's practicing. I asked him if he wanted to go by himself or if he got it, and he was like, can you just come with me? So I guess I'm gonna go with him. I burned my freaking finger and it hurts so bad. It is throbbing, but my fingers are always like mega cold, like about to pop. And I just put my cold ass fingers on my burn and it feels really good, but it hurts so bad and it's hot, it's throbbing. Anyways, so we're about to go in here and see how he does. What do you think, Smalls? What do you think? Are you gonna pass? Yeah?
I don't know.
Confidence. Wow, Saya. You pass? Saya, so what happened? Tell me, Saya. How many? How many did you miss?
I don't know, because I don't check. I just read if I pass or not, and I just read.
And you passed?
Yeah. I thought I was going to fail because you can skip questions, but I didn't know they were going to come in at the end of the fucking test. And they're going to tell you, and I'm like, I don't know, I didn't learn this. And it was like, what happens if you see, like the water people or like people from the electricity, like cars like that. And I was like, I don't know.
Guys, I came to Home Goods looking like I just woke up. I woke up and I said YOLO, got out of the bed, took Josiah to his appointment, and now we came to Home Goods to get my eyelash tech something for Josiah for her housewarming gift, because she just got her new place, queen. And I don't think I mentioned that I brought my Familia Peluche pets. I have encountered a problem. I cannot take myself serious with this hair. I need to fix it. So a housewarming gift to me would be a nice pot, because I love pots, right? But I just like, I could ruin my dreams, and he said that that's not a housewarming gift. First of all, everyone needs a good rice maker. So I'm gonna get her a cute little rice maker. And we're gonna go find something for her. So when you first move into your new place, you don't got nothing. You don't have knives, you don't have pots, you don't have cups and plates, but you can always use like platos desechables. What about a good knife set? Hi, my baby.
Doo-doo, bye-bye.
Doo-doo, bye-bye. Joseph thinks he's gonna go and get toys at the store, huh? No, but first he needs to get a haircut.
Oh, yeah.
No
cake. I am no toy shop.
We're going to do the same thing as last
Wow.
Yeah, the taper and then the taper.
Joseph looks like he has a halo.
Getting anything else, Tom?
Josiah had this thing that when he was a baby and he would cry. He would,
Whenever you would get a haircut?
you know, every time he would cry, period, he would pass out.
Oh yeah, my
Yeah.
cousins too.
Like
all of them.
Yeah, like
Like they'll
cry.
just stop breathing.
Yeah, and then they just lose consciousness, and they're just like
You
dead
gotta
purple.
like smack them like they're bad.
Yeah. Good job.
I tell you, Mom.
Do it again. Sit right there, Joseph. Look at mama. Look at mama. Good job. I just dropped off the kids at the house from getting their haircuts. Now I'm on my way to go get my lashes done. I just need a quick little fill so they can look nice and beautiful for Christmas. I have Melly's present here. I had to repurpose my Christmas bag that Unique gave Joseph because I couldn't find any. But I'm gonna get my lashes done real quick. I've been running around like crazy. Just how you see me, I rolled out of bed and then just started my day. Like, just started DMV, store, haircut appointments, eyelash appointment. I have to go pick up the freaking truck from the shop after this. Then I have to go make dinner. Then I have to start making a video that I had to turn in like 2 days ago and I haven't, so I have to work on it today so I can have it done by tomorrow. Along with getting our stuff together for the trip that's coming up in like 3 days. Oh, there's so many things to do, and I'm over here getting my lashes done. But priorities priorities. I must get my lashes done. I should be back in like 2 hours. This is the bag. And then my husband made his own keychain for the truck. I mean, his car. Let's go. Let's go, queen. And I am still wearing my pants from the Familia Peluche. Anyways, guys, so I'm back. And why am I talking with my eyes closed? Oh, it's because I wanted you guys to see my lashes. So these are my lashes. I finally came back. We already went to go pick up the truck. What else? I went grocery shopping yesterday. No chocolate milk for you. But I am ready to make some dinner. I am starving. Today I think was like, oh no, tomorrow I have one last appointment at 11:30 in the morning, but that's gonna be it. And then I'm free for the rest of the day. Not necessarily, because I actually owe my day for a video. But then after that, on the 23rd, I'm free. Almost. Except we have to drive to the cabin. Guys, the same clothes that I'm wearing right now is the same clothes I've been wearing since last night when I took a shower. Literally rolled out of the bed to the street. But today was a huge day, I guess, because my baby got his permit. And now we're just gonna have some quick dinner and get a little bit ahead for the tamales that we have to make to take to the cabins. And that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on everything. And what else? That's it.